guys, my name is Kota Wade and I'm going to be doing a T.U.K unboxing for you guys. They've got some awesome Black Friday deals going on, so I'm going to show you a little preview of what you can get. Let's open up this box. So the first pair that I have is your classic black creeper. So these are the black suede Viva Mondo creeper, and what's special about them is they have like a more lightweight sole, so they're like a little less heavy to wear, and they have the detailing of the stitching, which is really cool. There's like little like checkerboard pattern stitching. You can never go wrong with some black classic creepers. So the second pair that I have are the same style but in burgundy velvet. These are gorgeous, wow. Again, these are the Viva Mondo creepers, so they have a lighter sole. I can tell like just by holding them that they're lighter than your usual creeper. And again, these have the detail and super high quality. So that is my T.U.K haul. I can't recommend them highly enough. They're so cute, so comfortable, and such high quality shoes, and with their Black Friday sales going on right now, you don't want to miss out.